Furthermore, if we analyze that alcohol that you have, it has various disadvantages. It's mentioned in the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam of Sahih Silsilah by Sheikh Albani. He says that alcohol is the mother of all evils. And if you are drunk, maybe you will do incest with your mother, or with your maternal aunt, or with your paternal aunt. Our Prophet said this 1400 years ago, and now they are coming to know about it. The intoxication that is there. And there are various hadith that talk about prohibition of alcohol. It's mentioned in Sunnah Ibn Majah, volume number 4, in the book of intoxication, hadith number 3371. Our beloved Prophet said that alcohol is the key to all evils. It's mentioned in Sunnah Ibn Majah, volume number 3, volume number 4, book of intoxication, hadith number 3392. Anything which intoxicates you in large quantity is even prohibited in small quantity. No excuse for nip or a tot. Means if you have a large quantity of that drink, if it intoxicates you, it is even prohibited in small quantity. You can't say, no. Many people say, I'm a social drinker. Social drinker. Only 1 peg, 2 peg. I don't get intoxicated. I'm a social drinker. Now, when we do survey, you come to know that every drunkard, every alcoholic, at one time was a social drinker. Nobody starts drinking alcohol to become alcoholic. He starts a social drinker, 1 peg, 2 peg. How do you know how much can you control? It is addictive. Now, if you interview any social drinker who has been drinking for several years, once or many times in his life, he may have got intoxicated. No social drinker who's drinking for many years can say, never in my life I got intoxicated. Then he's lying to you. Some few times, some many times. Even if he hasn't become an alcoholic addiction yet, few times or many times in his life, he may have got drunk, for sure. Now, even if he gets drunk once in his life, and during that time, if he commits incest, or if he commits rape, can he ever forgive himself? The damage is done. Irreversible, irreparable. Can a good, modest man who even gets drunk once, and if he commits incest or commits rape, can he forgive himself? No. The damage is done. Irreversible, irreparable loss. So Prophet rightly said, anything which intoxicates in large quantity is even prohibited in small quantity. No excuse for nip or a tot. It's mentioned in Sahih Ibn Majah. There's Sunnah Ibn Majah, point number 4, in the book of intoxicants, hadith number 3381. The Prophet says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has cursed 10 categories of people who are involved with alcohol. The one who distills it. The one who distills it, for whom it is distilled. Number 1, the one who distills it. Number 2, for whom it is distilled. Number 3, the person who drinks alcohol. Number 4, the person who transports it. Number 5, the person for whom it is brought. Number 6, the person who sells it. Number 7, the person who serves it. Number 10, the person who earns from the sale of alcohol. Number 9, the person who buys it. And number 10, the person who buys it for someone else. All 10 categories of people are cursed. That means gunāh kabīra, it's a major sin. Not only drinking alcohol is major, even distilling it, even if somebody else distills it, even serving it, even buying it, even transporting it, buying for somebody else. All these 10 categories Allah has cursed.